This is a show. Hey, welcome back to the garage. Today I will actually be working on the bottom of the Mustang. Hopefully sanding it and spraying some paint. Although it is raining out and I don't want to paint in here while the Mustangs are in here. So I might just be doing some cleaning today. I'm not sure. I only have a few hours. Purchased a... Let's see if this does the job on the roof. Cool. I'm using 220. So I got roasted last time for my camera angles. My bad. I did apologize beforehand. I think I did. Maybe I didn't. Either way, I'm apologizing beforehand this time. Camera angles are gonna suck. My camera sucks for this. I'll make it up to you. Got my diagonal cutters. I'm just gonna clean up a couple more things under here. I don't even know what that thing is for. Cool, look at this. Yeah. Alright. Let's keep sanding. So I've gotten about, I want to say maybe 10% of the way. Wow, that looks painful. Yeah, so this is going to be a problem. I'm not going to record all of this. Alright, I'm just going to remove these exhaust hangers, and then I'm also going to remove the bumper, whatever those are called. That's where it connects. Just to get all this crap out of the way while I do all this stuff. Plus I can recondition all this. I got a new camera. It's a GoPro. So, what am I doing today? So I'm going to continue what I was working on last time, which was a nightmare. Yeah, we're just going to keep this nightmare rolling. I'd also like to point out that I bought a ton of parts. So last time I got roasted by my buddy Bill. He said something along the lines of, so is this video just going to be you mumbling into a box for 20 minutes? So yeah, I'm not going to do an unboxing. So I guess we'll just have to wait to see what all this stuff is. Quick inspection of where I was. I can't see anything here. Well, I can't. Maybe you guys can. Alright, so this is somewhat smooth. Ideally, I was going to go from like here to here and paint all this. I have the rust encapsulator, so I'm not too worried about the remaining flash rust on here. This will actually all encapsulate pretty nicely. Still a little dirty though. I have a new tool I can possibly use. Yeah. So I might just start sanding this by hand a little bit. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to sand by hand and then maybe do some kind of quick coat on here. Forgive the super weird angle that I did buy. Alright, so the reason why I bought this was because part of the, it has a lock. So if I'm underneath the car and I'm using a wire wheel and this thing falls on me, I want it to be able to lock it. My other cheap one will not do that. So that's why I bought this one. Hopefully it does as it says. Let's try it out. I also bought this, which is Wit Light. Nice little light. Pretty cool. Alright, so you'll see this right here, the brake. That's why I ended up buying this one. Alright, so that sounds pretty powerful. Okay. So, we got some rust reformer, whatever it's called. So I got up to here. You can see it's still pretty bad up there, but maybe that looks nice. So there's some spots you can see where there's like some dirt that I couldn't really get to. I have some internal frame paint. Came out pretty good. I didn't want to push it too much because I could have poked through, but it looks pretty good. So hopefully the rust reformer will keep it from getting any worse. Yeah, so those corners and inside the frame and everything, I have some Eastwood spray to make them a little better. Oh, I forgot to take that thing out. Cool, yeah, so the idea here was to encapsulate the rust, keep it from spreading. Everything's pretty solid though, so I'm pretty good with that. And then I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do the rest of the car. Somebody's doing some burnouts. Alright, so let's wrap this 3-hour long video up. Alright, so that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to do this in multiple parts. I don't know how much I'm going to actually film, so I'm going to keep going on this today for part 2. Cool, yeah, so thanks a ton for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.